Ajmo! Ajmo! Dobro jutro. Kako ste?
Ja sam Suzana Suz, vodila sam radionicu Hip Hop Battle, se zvala radionica.
Kako vam se sviđa hip hop?
Super.
Uvijek mi je super biti s njima, družit se, plesat, energija je predobra, nabrijem se ja, nabriju se oni i jedva čekamo večeras da napravimo prave betlove.
Back to jump and back to swing.
Oh, I have a first selection. Can we do like that? Okay. Can you turn around and put it on your face?
You show him.
Aga. So?
Aga!
It's okay.
Ajde! Klik! Klik!
Ovo je kutija za pjesme, Fast Lindy Poetry, drugo izdanje. Znači napišite pjesmu na temu Lindija u 3 različite kategorije. Pobjednik dobija vječnu slavu i poštovanje književne zajednice.
Kaj ti radiš? Odi plesat.
Kako?
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day, no matter what you say.
Ogromno. Idemo.
Nije tamo. Trebam kavu. Kava.
Krivo.
Kava. It's a small step for a man, but a big step for breakfast. Jutro. Čekaj, to je nešto šunka sir, ne? Victory. Back to burek, back to swing.
Back to burek, back to swing.
Super je za spavanje ovdje. Vidi.
Svi ćemo staviti malo se lijevo i prema desno. Athletic circle of ours. We're just gently touching. That's it. Two. And then when we travel forward, we have all the space we need. Actually, have to take her body up and change her feet.
Ne znam, osjećaš se kao da je Božić 2 puta došao ove godine.
Ozbiljno?
Pa da. Božić, Svet Nikola i Uskrs u jednom.
Ja sam ovdje prvi put, tamo mi je bicikl, došao sam... Došao sam odvesti jednu radionicu salse, zato me ova divna gospođica pozvala, jer smo se mi cool, kužiš.
Volim Back to Swing čovječe, volim ga, dao sam si tatuažu napraviti na mjestima koja se ne vide.
Keep on dancing, keep on trying. No use of quitting, nor crying. When you're stuck and can't move on, just remember, swing on, swing on.
Her name is Suze. She dances blues. Her moves are smooth. She steps foot by foot. She follows where I lead. She gives me all I need. With her the song is complete. The world couldn't do without her feet.
Miss Daisy met Jerry on a summer day, and when the day came to a close, they danced the night away. Jerry called Daisy a rose, and in her a strange feeling arose. Such a love has never been seen, an instant dance connection it has been. With a kiss with their love was sealed, and not a single party they missed. With a swing out Texas Tommy and a tuck turn, their love continued to burn.
Down, down.
Going down, down, down.
Pa se daj odjebi tamo. Tu ću mu sve sjevat.
S is for slow. Slow, slow, quick, quick. Yeah! The pulse is my body. W is for the wing that goes under my arm. I is for interesting people I get to swing with. N is for new moves I keep on learning. G is for the greatest time of my life I have when dancing. Combine and you get back to swing Zagreb. Crappy with spelling I am.
Lindy hop po ruški. Ana Karenjina tancuje v stilje swing. Всё время говорит it's my thing. Если bi ona ranše o swinge uznala, nikogda ne bi obmorok popala.
Konzumira se javno, mladima se nudi. Nije kod druge, ipak oprezan budi. U dozama niskim nije te vuklo. Kad je kasno shvatiš, ipak te puklo. U 8 i sudiš i druge kriviš. Krivo je društvo, a zbog njega živiš. Kad apstinencija neće, svatko traži svoj dop. Majko, moram ti priznat, trošim Lindy Hop.
Imam 3 tikvice. Dao mi je sin da operem. Hladne vode.
When you're good to mama, mama's good to you.
Sad ja dajem njemu jedan paradajz, daj mu paradajz. Sad još jedan paradajz ćeš dobiti, onda ćeš reći šta imaš.
She'll do one for you.
Ne znam, Lea mi je uzela 2 tikvice, valjda jedan paradajz, tvrdi da to je isto.
I sad dolazi drugi paradajz.
A to je osnovni problem sa ženama što misle da su 2 tikvice isto što je jedan paradajz. Znači kad bi svi ljudi znali da to nije isto i da su 2 tikvice, a paradajz i da 2 tikvice ne mogu biti jednake ili isto što i paradajz, onda bi sve bilo okej. Sad na kraju imam 3 tikvice i jedan paradajz. Znači zajebali smo, pobjedili smo. Znači ljudi koji misle da su 2 tikvice jednake jednom paradajzu, završe i bez tikvice i bez paradajza. For the win.
If you want my gravy, pepper my ragu, spice it up for mama, she'll get hot for you. When they pass that basket, folks contribute too. You put in for mama, she'll put out for you. The folks atop the ladder are the ones the world adores. So boost me up my ladder, kid, and I'll boost you up yours. Let's all stroke together like the Princeton crew. When you're stroking mama, mama's stroking you. So what's the one conclusion I could bring this number to? When you're good to mama.